Hello everybody, it's Benjamin. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so as someone who runs multiple YouTube channels myself and covering development tutorials, digital arts and finance and so much more, I know the struggle of actually have to make thumbnails for different platform, for different video and different sizes, different series number and different reaction, all that. I know the struggle, and after spending countless hours creating thumbnail myself, because I'm an indie developer and I also run multiple channels, I got so frustrated about making different sizes, ratios and all that. I say, hey, I'm a developer myself, right? So I decided to actually build some apps to solve this problem. And today I'm excited to show you the simple thumbnail maker. It's already listed at Apple's App Store, so you can just go to the App Store and search for simple thumbnail maker, and the only app that is showing up, that's me. Okay, so basically it solves problem like this. Okay, so let me move myself a little bit here so you guys can see this simulator clearly. So this is my simple thumbnail maker. We got a simple version as well as premium version. So let me show you how it is done. Really simple. As a creator, you have to think about the copyright. Okay, you don't just want to use other people's photos, or you have to subscribe to a certain service in order to get some sort of design material. In this app, you can do it yourself. You can choose your own photo and avoid all these kind of legal problems. So you can select the image here, okay, and there's like a lot of default image. You can choose, for example, you want to choose some like waterfall. For example, you want like building a say travel vlog sort of thing, and then you can just input here. Okay, we got the enter overlay text here. So it's a simulator. Okay, so at your iPhone, you click it, you'll automatically get the keyboard out. I'm going to just type it myself. So for example, say water for like travel log, something like that. Okay, travel vlog, video log, something like that. Okay, so travel vlog, and then like a William JM, something like that. Doesn't really matter. Okay, let me just use travel vlog. Okay, and then for example, if it's a YouTube video somewhere, you got like a 16:9. If it's say some like short, something like that, you got something like this. But right now it seems like a little bit crowded, so you can just adjust the text size. Okay, adjust that. Of course, if you got too much, it will get hidden, so you may need to change that to vlog, something like that. Okay, and then you can adjust the size. Block, not block. Auto correction is just crazy. Okay, so vlog, and of course you can change the background color as well as the text color. So for example, right now already got the canvas of that suit the ratio, but I'm thinking of something that can actually suit the maybe something like maybe somewhere that suit the image. So for example, like this, I love this color. Okay, and then you can automatically change and even use this is called eyedropper tool, and you can pick that specific color and you can make. Of course, if you like design yourself, you can just choose or maybe some greenish color. Okay, for example, you love the tree here. Where's the tree here? You love the tree color, you can just go something like this. It's pretty consistent. Of course, you can choose the color, for example, Instagram, something like that. You got more space, and of course, you can change the position. I make a matrix, so you can say you want like put it here, put it here. If it's like a really long text, something like that, you can do that. Okay, and then once you are satisfied, you can just save. Then, of course, everything, this is very important. Everything is done locally on your phone. Okay, so you don't need to worry about get your like your private information, videos, images like upload to the cloud and all that. It doesn't really matter. Okay, if you look at my app's size is pretty small because it's pure locally run, and it's pure using using programmatically solve the problem using mathematics rather than use like a really complex, say, AI models, upload to the cloud, all that. You can run that even though, say, you are on a plane, you have no access to the internet, you can still like give this like a little chunk of time, and you can use that to make your thumbnail. Okay, so for example, your travel vlog, you got some like video and amazing images, and you can just quickly do that. Really simple one here. And this is like a beta version of my app. You know, I am a digital artist myself, so I'm going to create a lot of assets in the future updates, and I'm going to let you guys to use that as long as you download this app. You can use that for free, right? So, but here is the amazing part, because I am a tutorial maker, and I make tons of series of videos because my tutorial series is huge. Okay, so if you look at my development tutorial, like Android development, iOS development, like game dev, I normally update like hundreds of videos per series. Okay, so it's like from zero to hero. By the way, if you want to check it out, you can go to my website. It's called Code with William Yamin, as well as Learn Digital with William Yamin. Okay, so these two channels are like a cooperated me with me. Okay, so I create digital assets and import the asset to my game, and as well to my app, like this one. Okay, so but I will update that in the future. So right now, if you want to get series of videos, okay, series of thumbnails, sorry, you want like create series of thumbnails, here is another option called premium version. So the premium maker almost worked exactly the same, but it got some like amazing stuff. So for example, you want like create, okay, by the way, I just click save, so this will automatically save to our phone. Okay, so I shouldn't be able to choose it. Let me just go to the phones, photos, and you can check the export image. It's pretty high quality. Okay, so if you like scroll up, okay, and you can see it's like 1372 by 2304. So it's like but it's not crazily big. Okay, it's just 1.8 MB. Okay, so most of the time you'll suit most of the social media platform or video sharing platform. Okay, so you can export it, of course, and then let's go back to the premium maker where you can make a series of video. Okay, let me show you how. So first, you're going to choose a image. So for example, let's just use this waterfall as an example. So for example, you're traveling and you're like, this is a photo that you took and you want to make a series. Okay, so it's like I want to see Niagara Fall, okay? A Niagara Fall vlog, like the day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, okay? So, for example, you are making a series of vlog like this. Here is how you start, okay? So, I'm going to say vlog and video vlog, yeah, okay, vlog, and don't let it autocorrect. Vlog, okay? Vlog and series 1 or day 1. Let me... Okay, I don't know. This Apple's autocorrection is pretty annoying. Okay, so for example, you want, say you travel for say 20 days, okay, but you don't want to make 20 thumbnail for every different video, and you don't want like some AI to automatically generate some thumbnail for you. You want really consistent. For example, tutorial. I use this myself because initially I made this app to use myself. Okay, so for example, we got like a vlog and day, and then we'll start with day 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, right now support 100. I think it's more than enough. If it's not enough, you can just from 100 and go all the way to 200. Okay, I think there's more than suffice for. You can't possibly make thousands of videos unless you already like own Netflix, something like that. Okay, so yeah, so of course you can choose different ratios. Okay, and you can choose different backgrounds. By the way, you can use some customize the spectrum or slider, okay, or even you can put the hex codes. This is brilliant, and you can say iDrupal. Okay, I'm using iDrupal to get a cloud, to get a just a consistent feeling. Okay, I love the iDrupal tool, and I think I strongly recommend that you use this functionality as well. So for example, I'm going to make a serious video of say TikTok or whatever, or maybe Shorts. Right now, Shorts also got 9:16. Okay, vlog day, and I'm going to put it like here. Or if you don't want non-destructive, not block the image, you can like make it up, something like that, or make it here. Doesn't really matter. Okay, but do be aware. You have to consider the number, because the number is constantly changing. Okay, and if you got like a 2 number, it's okay, but 3 number, maybe key them to the dot. So do please just consider this possibility. Okay, so my recommendation is that you test at least like 3 or 5 photos, batch generate, and then if it's okay, then batch generate say 100. Okay, you don't want to like wrongly export that and have to delete. Okay, I'm going to go with the like maybe Instagram or something like that. Okay, the Instagram is like a 1 by 1, something like that. I'm not sure. Okay, so vlog day and maybe YouTube video. Let me just use. I love YouTube, and I'm actually making a YouTube video right now. So vlog day. Okay, and then here comes the interesting part. You can add a profile. So sometimes if I'm making video right now, I love this like circular shape that I can put it on, and that's exactly what I'm doing right now. So for example, let me say this leaves or this flower is me. Okay, you can click here and make a crop functionality, so you can actually zoom in and pan and zoom in and pan. Yeah, so this is me. So for example, this is me. Okay, and you can confirm. Okay, once you confirm, you automatically add a like reaction profile photo here. Of course, you can choose whatever things. So, for example, you want do some like zooming in some photo or some like amazing things that happens. You want to highlight it. Of course, you can do that. Then you can use this switcher to actually switch to the profile control. Of course, you can change the position. You can change the profile size. Okay, so for example, you want something like this. Of course, you can do that. Or you can got something upper here, maybe something smaller. Doesn't really matter, just to suit your needs. And then of course you can save that like one time, okay, or you can use the batch settings. You save that for one time, you will like lose like 3 premium tries available. Right now I'm setting like 3 premium tries. Of course, here is the hack, because if you are trying the batch, you can actually make say 10 or 20, but that will also count as one try. Okay, it will count as 1 try, but it would take, so for example, if you got like 3 tries but you generate like 100, you still the 100 still work as 1 try, but it will like get this 1 2 3, and then after that you can still generate, but you can't generate again, you can't modify again. Okay, so let me show you how the batch setting is done. So you click here and you can enable batch generation settings. I write some experiment tips and guidelines down below. If you're interested, you can check it out. And you click here, and then you can start a number. So for example, you travel for, I don't know, maybe 10 days. I think it's 10 days is more than enough to go to resort and look at the waterfall. Okay, so you got a preview here with vlog day 1 all the way to vlog day 10. Okay, of course you can do that in reverse. I also write algorithm that can handle the reverse, minus number, all that. Okay, right now let's test 1 to 10. So click done. Okay, and you can start generating batch. Okay, so let's do it. Finger crossed, generation. Okay, so as I said, because I just give you guys like a 3 trial. So, but don't worry. There is a hack, and I'm showing this hack because I want you guys to fully experience what's going on. And then if you decide to buy it, if you want to support me, if you want to support this channel, because I'm sort of, my living is rely on all the apps, so you can subscribe. It's a one-time purchase, okay? There's no subscription, and once you purchase the premium, this is just like the like minimum viable products that I put forward, and I'm going to add so much more because I am a digital artist. So you can check my Learn Digital Art channel. I create all sort of assets, and I intend to share that and modify that and maintain that in the future for this app. So as long as you got that, you can get all sort of like a my asset library for free, and you can get so much more. Okay, so here's a hack. If you look at here, you check there's no free trials remaining, but luckily if you look at the photos, it's already got this image generated. Okay, it's already generated even though you already like try more than say 3 times. You can still get the job done. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, you got an idea. Okay, I'm not going to go through all that. So all the way to 10. Okay, so that is the way to batch generate things. And then, for example, if you're on a plane, you quickly got all this ready, and then when you get access to, you go to the hotel, you get access to Wi-Fi, you can just choose, and then batch upload, and then you can just upload your customized thumbnail. You can do everything on your phone nowadays. Okay, I believe this can like greatly reduce the amount that you spend on things that you don't want to do. Okay, I'm a content creator and I hate doing the thumbnail, so I want to batch generate it and put it out there and make a series. Okay, and then promote that series rather than promoting each of the videos. Okay, and I believe if the products or the video can provide value, can add value, it will become viral and become other people will watch it. You don't need it's like if you're like doing a podcast and continue to add value for say 8 years, you will be a top 100 or top 1000 in this world who like stick to these things for pretty long time, and you have a audience base. Okay, I hope you guys enjoying this video, and I hope that clarify things, and like really quick. It's like a semi-tutorial, semi-promo video for my own app, and please support me if you you accidentally you need this functionality. Do please support me by upgrading to premium and support me. And if you got like more suggestions, please leave in the comments. If you want more features for this app, you can leave in the comments. I read every comment, I reply every comment myself, and I'm constantly going to improve this. Okay, so I think that's all for this video. Thanks. Bye.